Now let's talk about the presets and how to get it better. So if you look at natural, I'm sorry for the noise guys because I'm outside, but I just want to show you guys this. If you look at this preset, you will know that it is 1 in a million retouch presets that can literally retouch your image. So the first one is natural, another one is after sun. Okay, after sun is going to give you a little bit of glow on it, more than natural. Let me show you guys what it look like after sun. Do you see that? Then let's go to flawless. This is what flawless is going to look like. All this thing that I'm showing you guys is exactly the way it's going to be, right? So this is how flawless looks like. You understand? This is how flawless looks like. Let's go to fussy. Fussy will give you more of white tone, kind of. But my best one is HD. So HD will gives you more. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is the D before and this is the after. Do you see the difference? It kind of give this thing all totally come together finish. I don't know if you guys understand. Let me show you guys again what I mean. So do you see that? Let me off it so you can relate. This was it after and this was it before. Do you see after before? So after before there is nothing like there is no level of the thing going, it was just there. But after, it defined the image, it bring out the details, it bring out the image. Anywhere that is contour highlights is going to be like that. So once I'm done with this, add the preset that I want and go to clarity. You can push your clarity up a little bit to give life to the image. This when I brought it out. This was it now. Do you understand? Then I go to my skin tone. If I don't like the way the skin is, I literally will turn it to like this, this is a natural skin actually. You can see that. Then I can reduce it a little bit or high it a little bit. It depends on what you are working with, right? Then I want to add a little bit of lightness to it. I'm going to go to this very one just to normalize any undetailed this thing that is there. So next thing I do is contour. I don't contour totally. If you want to contour totally, you can make use of this very one. But you know that there's some places that are supposed to be more contour and some places supposed to be less contour. So I like my nose being well snatched, contoured, but my cheek I like it being well snatched, contour. Forehead a little bit. Then my brows, I don't want any contour on it because it's well. So my jawline a little bit contour. My mouth no contour. Then chin, I want my chin to be a little bit contoured. Do you understand? So we are done setting that. Then I go to my acne, hide my acne, and that is basically what I do because all these ones are already on the image, right? So we go off here. Then I'll go and relight the image so I can add a little bit of, let's say, I just don't want the image to be more. I want the back not to carry almost the weight of the front, right? So what I do is I lower this down a little bit. Okay, I brought this one to the back to give life to it. And yeah, if I like, I'll hide. If I like, good morning, ba. Yes, I'm fine. I miss you too. So then for the brightness, I can lower the back of the brightness. It doesn't actually affect the front. Look at it. I can lower the back totally. Then the front will be there. So I separated it. Then I lower the back because I want all the detail to be at the front, not at the back. But still, they should know that there is something going on at the back. So that is it for that. Okay. So literally, this helps a lot. Then one next thing that I do is to check it out if I'm okay what I have. If I'm not okay, because you can see my lowering of the background is actually hiding the this thing. So I'm going to hide a little bit, to see. So you have to shake the image and make sure you're okay with what you have. So I think this is beautiful. So I'm just going to save it.